You're ready and fired up to land that TEDx talk. If you're an entrepreneur, an expert, an author, an educator, a researcher, or a person with a powerful message to share, there has never been a better time for you to do a TEDx talk. It positions you as the expert, as a leader. It gives you credibility, and it can magnetize more business and more opportunities into your life. And there is one thing you must have if you want to land that TEDx talk. Without it, you'll likely never be invited to speak at a TEDx event. So, what is it? It's your big idea. As they say in the world of TED, it's that idea worth spreading. This is the essence of any TED or TED style talk. It's what sets TED Talks apart from other speeches. And once you have it, you're already heads and shoulders above most people who apply to speak at TED and TEDx events. According to Chris Anderson, the head of TED, your big idea must have these 3 elements. It must be 1, new and unique. 2, interesting to the audience. And 3, factual and realistic. It also needs to have universal appeal. It needs to have data or research to back it up, and it needs to be able to be summed up in one simple statement or phrase. So, what if you don't know how to turn your knowledge into an idea worth spreading? Or what if you have the opposite problem? What if you have so many ideas rolling around inside that you don't know how to hone it down to one? Introducing the Viral Idea Generator. This system will help you find, craft, and refine your idea so that it can become a big idea, an idea worth spreading, an idea that is worthy of the TED stage. Here's the process that you're about to embark on. 1, you'll use the 4 Ps questionnaire. The 4 Ps are person, perspective, passion, and problem, as in problem that you solve. And you'll mine your life experiences and uncover the foundation of your big idea. 2, you'll employ a secret technique called the mountaintop message that will unlock the message that's already living within you. 3, you'll step into the brainstorm flow to discover which idea fires you up, lights you up, and ignites your passion. And 4, you'll run your idea through the big idea criteria checker to make sure your idea is indeed TED ready. Finally, after you've completed that process, you'll begin to work on your title, on your viral idea title, to take your idea and give it a title that will get people to click and watch your amazing talk once it's live. This last step will help you put the finishing touches on refining your idea to make sure that it is unique, interesting, and clickable. And now, are you ready to uncover your big idea? Let's get to it.